Hello guys, welcome to BitcoinMF. Quick TA update, the way I see the market. Today I remind you this is not a financial advice, so please make your own research and good luck and trade safe. So like always, the daily time frame with the same levels didn't change nothing. And we can see that yesterday we got this red big kind of big candle, and it also happened pretty fast and was a little bit of a surprise in my opinion. But also, if you follow the channel and the Discord channel and the video, is something that I kind of did expected it, and only it took it a time to play out. And as you can see, we met larger resistance around this level, and everybody who pressed the green button here got trapped real hard in my opinion, and even many people got wrecked. And today we are again on this level, and yesterday before I went to sleep we were already even here, so it was even scarier. And today what we can see that this line is like kind of a support, and now also in the previous minutes, a couple of minutes, we get the up move, and everybody is excited again. And I wanted to show you what I think about this today. And right now I am still didn't change my position. It's still the same thing. It's still short. A little bit of a profit, but it doesn't mean nothing, because what means is when you close, okay, or when I close, or you get me. So if we add the mimicators today, okay, and if we change to Aikenashi again with the BB bands and the Bitcoin MF strategy, we take a look at this like this, and we can see that yesterday's long signal is very much suffering right now. Okay, so like I said yesterday, I don't rush to get in a trade, because if this signals me too long, I want to see, I told you before, if price actually can sustain here, okay, and if it will sustain here, so it will be a bullish signal for me. And right now it is still red on the daily, and everybody who rushed to took this, I'm sorry, but I'm sorry, okay, but this is the way it is. And I said to you many times that this is not a 100% like accurate signal, because I don't believe in this. I work with some tools in which I do believe in. The tools I work with are as I explained them on this video, those videos, and the Discord server, and my thoughts. It's always the same. It's always around this, okay? So what I'm trying to say to you today is I'm still watching if the market can go a little bit lower. And why I still watch this possibility? Because I watch the RSI and I watch the red candle, and I think that, okay, if everybody went long here yesterday and market dumped and everybody is in pain right now who got long, so maybe people will close longs, and maybe people will add some longs because they want to save themselves. And also people who see the market is still bull, and the bull trend is intact, as you can see by this line kind of. So bulls see this as support, the 16 EMA as support, which of course can be, and they decide to go long. But when everybody decide to go long, I don't like to go long, because I don't think that this is a healthy situation. And I very much always watch out from this, okay? But again, this is just me, and I can only share with you guys what I know and what I do and what I think. So to sum this time frame up again, I want to see today if this candle eventually turns green and manages to break this level, and sustains above this level, so it means for me that possible chance for more up. But again, even if this happens, it still means that bull trap is still possible here. So I watch out, very watch out, and I, to be honest, want to see this line more breaks up. Okay, as more of this also, because here, in my opinion, still can trap us. Okay. So this is what I watch on the daily time frame, okay? And this is the bull scenario, of course, if this turns green, okay, what I said. And the bear scenario is if this line will eventually turn out as resistance, as yesterday kind of. So I watch this line, and if it breaks down, because yesterday we found a support here, and today if it will happen again, so there is a chance that this line will be impulsed down, okay, and we will be playing on this line or maybe even this line. But of course this is extreme bear scenario what I talk about. Like, you know me, I take the two edges and I play with it like I post in the video and on the Discord, okay? So again, if bears somehow step in and manage to crash the market, it will first the most possible chance, in my opinion, it will go to test the strategy EMA, which is 48, which is in the basic narrative talks. It is the 58 EMA. You will see start people talking about the 50 EMA, the 50 EMA, if this happens, of course, okay? And we watch the 48 EMA. It's like we are a little bit before, okay? For good and for worse, so pay attention. And once again, if this RSI breaks down to below 50, along with the price, of course, so there is a strong chance that the negative phase will start, and you don't want to be on the negative phase when it starts, okay? Because it starts and it's not pleasant, okay? Like this positive phase, the same. Okay, so let's move on to the 4 hour with check what to see, what's there. And we can see that we did have a short signal, and of course the real short is from here, and the EMAs are wanting to cross. And I'm sorry I repeat the things, but this is what I see every day and every time. When the EMAs wants to cross, price go bear cross, price many time goes up. Why it goes up? Because it's I think because shorters are stepping in because they see the upcoming bear cross and they want to get in early, get in time, if you know what I mean. But market is not Dumbo, and market does what least people do, and it goes up, it underwaters them, and it even liquidates them because some people, I'm sorry, but some people still trading high leverage. And yes, I get it, and to be honest, yes, I also do this, but I do this kind of a different way because I only do high leverage with small budget. I don't do high leverage with a large budget. So this is just me and the way I work. You can do what is good for you, and if it's good for you, you can also comment and teach me how. 1 hour, we can see what we can see on the 1 hour. We can see the short signal is like worked nicely, and again it dipped again outside the BP, try to buy, no buy, try to buy, no buy, and now it tries to buy again. Everybody is bull, but Lazy says okay, bull, but only when the RSI will break 50 also and sustain. And of course it is for good and for worse, because if you follow this meme RSI 50, so I do follow it, but it's hard to explain because the actual move was from here. We can see this, okay, from here, but you will never know until it will hit here, okay? When it will be here and you will long from here, you will probably send me DM or in the server that you're a motherfucker and that you long. And it's okay, I get it, because it's placed with us, because it's true. If you long here and you will you suggest that the RSI will be broken and sustain above 50, so you nailed it. There is no doubt about it, okay? And also on this time frame, you can see the MACD. If the bulls continue, it will start to print a positive phase, which is good for bulls, at least for the short term, okay, because they can go more up. And actually what I see here is they need to close above the mid BB and above the strategy EMA for it to go more up, okay? But if they won't close above this and won't hold this, so again we get a dump, okay? Let's look at the 30 minutes. 30 minutes, same situation, and here you can see that it's already crossed, okay? And those are the moments that I look at, because right now if market makers decide to push this up, no problem, everybody go up, everybody happy fappy. But if market makers decide it's a no-go and they push it down, this RSI will hook everybody that pressed the green button, and the consequences will be not pleasant in my opinion. But we must watch and wait and wait and watch and wait and watch out and all of this. And here you can also see that the bulls are seeing this CMA is starting to curve up and they go green button, okay? This happens many times, I get it. Also sometimes do it, but again, if you follow me closely, I also watch very closely the 15 minutes closure outside of the BB bands. When it closes outside, it means that the counter move is about to happen sooner or later, okay? It doesn't work every time, like you can see that, okay? So be careful with this. And also if you follow, many times I post, don't pick up the first wave, okay? Don't pick up the second wave, okay? Don't pick up the first wave, don't pick up the second wave, okay? Don't pick up the first wave, don't pick up the first wave, don't pick up the second wave. And then they hear me and they go, whoop, I will pick it up. You know what I mean? Okay, so those are the time frames for today. And again, let's sum it up. Because of this long signal, and because we already got the retracement, and because of all the bulls news and all the things I don't need to talk about, you know what I'm talking about. If this candle turns out to be break this level and closes above this daily, there is a chance for more up, and it will validate this signal, which will mean that we will go up, okay? But if this signal is wrong, which can happen, like for example, I don't know, you see there are small signals, okay? There are also small signals every time it happens, okay? Short, you go short, boom, it counter trades you and goes up, okay? But here it can also happen the other side around, okay? So again, I watch to see if the RSI and if all those things with the mimicators and all, along with the pattern scanner, don't forget it, because I forgot it. Sorry, forgot to add the Telegram channel. And once again, I look to see if this line breaks up, it's a bull, and this signal is right. And if this line eventually breaks down and acts as resistance, so short is safe, and this signal invalidates, and we will get a new signal short. And we will have to see what happens to market in the next days. And again, the RSI 50, look at it, because if this finds support in the close time, so it will start to climb up again. And one more thing, like always we look at, is that the 1 hour pivot lines. And we can see that if you follow the server, I posted this yesterday, we got above the pivot line. The EMA got above the pivot line, which is a very bull sign in my opinion. And then it happens, because everybody sees the bull, everybody presses the green, and this is what happens, okay? And right now we are again testing this EMA, and again it's the same situation. If bulls keep control now, it will go above, and as long as it will stay above, it will continue to climb until it will climb here. Here it will also again meet test resistance, and if the bulls are still strong, they will push it up once more. Okay, so if you in short, be very careful in my opinion. Okay, because you need to maybe consider even stop loss at profit, so the profit won't get eaten, and that's it in my opinion. All the links are below. If you want, you can check this. It's free. You don't have to pay nothing unless you want something. And everything is inside. Okay, I'm not a market man. I am what I am. And you're a big boy. And I see you inside. Good luck. Trade safe. Leave comments and subscribe, because I'm trying to get to 100 subs, and it's like my goal is to get to 100 subs. And I know it sounds funny, but it's not easy, okay? And also I know I do it differently, so it twice not easy. So if you like those updates, and if you like the line of thinking, please consider it. It will don't catch much of your RAM, okay? So that's it for today, guys. Good luck. If you want to support this channel also, there is the link. Everybody knows what to do. The question is when we do it, okay? Thank you for watching, for following, and for everything, and see you next time. Bye bye.